finished off by a truly magnificent innings from Karen Casey. He's got one more job to do. He's got one ball left. Can get them home now.
Fielders swarming everywhere in the circle. 5, or in fact 6, are cutting off the single. Just 3 remain in the deep ball on the catch. Here we go. Will it be the super over? Or can Nepal win it? It's dropped by the keeper. Given. We're off to the super over. It's given us a wide. In fact, Nepal win. Nepal win. Nepal win. They've somehow taken a win in the most remarkable of circumstances. The umpire took an eternity and the crowd swarmed the field. They won't be bowled all out. Maybe they will, I don't even know. But one thing is for certain, it's Karen Casey, the hero. He'll finish unbeaten on 65. Dramatic, extraordinary scenes as 400, 500, 600 Nepal fans swarm the ground. Scotland have lost the most extraordinary game of cricket you might ever witness. And Karen Casey is being held aloft by hundreds, and I'm not sure he's going to even get off the ground.
Wow, what a finish! It was all confusion. It was, I don't even.
जितो म्याच जितो स्कटल्यान्डले हरायो करण केसी हट इनिङ त्यही भन्दैन नि त भ्यालेन्टाइन बोय वा वा हरायो लास्टमा आएर म्याच आमा नेपालले यार झन्नै हारेको झन्नै यार मात्र नि यार क्या मजाको म्याच यस्तो प्रतिस्पर्धा यार करण केसी हरेक इनिङमा राम्रो खेलिरहेको हुन्छ हैन यस्तो दामी खेलिरहेको हुन्छ त्यही पनि लास्टमा कति 8 नम्बर 9 नम्बरमा ल्याउँछन् यार त्यो पनि यस्तो राम्रो खेल्छ हल्का अगाडि ल्याएको झन् धेरै राम्रो खेल्थ्यो के अझै रन राम्रो बनाउँथ्यो करण केसीले बलिङ पनि राम्रो आज है ब्याटिङ पनि यस्तो दामी है जस राम्रो खेलेर भयो।